Step 1. Assemble the front panel. Next, put this clips and this is clip. Now we are assembling the turn signal. The right side turn signal is now assembled. Right side turn signal like this. Put it in here and screw it in. The next assembly is the electroplated part, also known as a decoration. Upper part of the electroplated part. Electroplated parts of the upper front panel. Clip the buckle of this part in first. First clip it in, and then screw it. The next thing to assemble is the electroplated parts on both sides. Now start fixing the screws. In the same way, the electroplating parts are clamped in first, and then do screwing. Here, there is no need to screw in these two positions, this one and this one.